Namaskaram. So you are one step away from joining me for this free Refine Your Art online course. It goes over 7 days where I'll be dropping into your inbox with a variety of tools and techniques, sharing with you what I have been working with to enable myself to live and work in alignment with my Dharma, with the seasons, and which gives me the freedom to travel pretty much all year round. So I feel very blessed to have created a life that I love, where I can thrive and I get to meet amazing like-minded people such as yourself. So for this 7-day free online course, it includes an email each day with an exercise, a mudra, an affirmation, all of which should take you no more than half an hour each day. We also have created for you an eBooklet download, and we'll be staying connected throughout the 7 days via my private Facebook group as well. So if you are in a place of indecision, feeling a little uninspired, feeling a little flat, feeling a little challenged, feeling like that you're not really sure which direction to take, maybe there's some opportunities that you're facing, maybe you've had a few doors close in the recent weeks or months leading up to this day, and you're really feeling like you need to take some time out to reflect, to map out a sustainable and achievable, and most of all, a financially viable way moving forward. So I created this online course after working with people in my mentorship program for the last 8 years or so. And through that process, I recognized very similar experiences that people were having. And so I found myself really sharing what has worked for me over the years, and seeing and receiving the feedback from that being really, really positive. So if we are new to working together, or if we've worked together before, this is a wonderful opportunity to reconnect and to rediscover, and perhaps to ignite that inner fire to keep you going. So we have structured this course over 7 days purely because I know that you're busy. But please know, if it takes you longer, that's totally fine. And throughout the 7 days, you'll also be encouraged to check in and share with us how you're going. When we embark on a 7-day sadhana or a 7-day course, the beauty of it being online is that we have accountability from all over the globe. And over the years, I've had the absolute honor to work with people at all different stages of their teaching path. So they may be very new to teaching yoga and literally just graduated. They may have been teaching for about 3 to 5 years, and they're looking to deepen their practice or to expand their knowledge, or to branch out into workshops and retreats and teacher trainings themselves. Perhaps they want to travel. Or I've been working with people who have been teaching for a long time, 10 plus years. And they're just at a point of really needing a sounding board. Really needing someone to talk through their ideas and talk through, the last decade of their life. And so through this process of connecting with others, I just absolutely love to be part of people's journey and to witness people thrive and rise and really come together, bringing all parts of themselves together. So throughout these 7 days, we'll be working through the map of the chakras, starting with the base, the foundation, and working all the way up to Sahasrara, the crown. And I invite you to go on this journey with us. If it resonates, awesome. If it doesn't, maybe check it out anyway. Feel free to invite your friends. The more the merrier. And as soon as you pop in your details on the form, you'll hear from me and we will start very soon. So looking forward to sharing this course with you and seeing you thrive and shine in more ways than one. Many blessings. Namaste.